All right guys, so I finished. Here is the look, and I love this wig. This is another one of my favorite wigs. This is one of my go-to wigs. It's a throw on and go pretty much. Like, you don't have to do everything that I just did as far as gluing it down with the Got2b glue spray. You don't have to even do the baby hairs for real. It does come with some baby hairs. I did not utilize all of them, but just a little bit. The thing that I love about this wig is that it's not super full and super dense, so it doesn't look like wiggy. It looks like this could be my hair. Sound like my child woke up. Maybe it's somebody else's child, I don't know. But yeah, it's not super thick, so it, oh, that's mine. All right, y'all, we gotta do this quick because my baby eat chicken nuggets and she gonna come cussing me out in a second. So this is the Janet Collection Melt AVA wig in the color M.BLYG 30. B.L.Y.G, I'm fairly certain stands for balayage, which is just a method of coloring that I don't fully understand because I'm not a colorist. No, I'm not a hairstylist at all. It is ear-to-ear lace. It is a lace front with a lace part, so it's not like a lace frontal, it just has a lace part. I told you. Okay, so yes, allegedly there's a baby in my lap. What of it? What of it? I think the parting space of this wig goes about 4 or 5 inches back. It says that the wig is heat resistant up to 360 degrees Fahrenheit, so you can put some heat on it if you need to make it lay a little bit flatter. I didn't really have to, so I did not. As far as the color goes, I think the color is gorgeous. So the roots are dark and then it just kind of flows into this 30 color towards the ends. It is a little shiny, but I don't really have an issue with shiny wigs. So the texture is kind of silky. Yeah, it's pretty silky. The cap size, I would say it's big head friendly because I have a big head. So the cap size is pretty good. I didn't have to adjust the straps at all, but it doesn't feel tight on my head. So it just fits pretty snug without it being painful. There's no tangles because it's too short for that. And if it did tangle, somebody needs to fight. No shedding. And the lace blended down beautifully. The hairline is gorgeous. I love this collection. I love that this is the wig that I bought from this collection because I think all the rest of them are fairly long. And I don't really wear too many long wigs. I think I own one. But yeah, and it blends down beautifully. You like it too? It's one of my favorite going to the store wigs. It's real good for putting on a hat because it's so flat. And I also love that the ends are not like super bumped, so it's not like a face hugger bob. So I would give this wig a out of 5 stars. I would give this wig a 4.5 out of 5 stars. I would definitely recommend. Right, baby? Say yeah. She's eating a cookie. Mind your business. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Make sure you tell your friends to join the family. We're trying to get more subscribers. Oh yes, also make sure that you go and follow me on Instagram at Nelle, and make sure you go and follow me on Twitter at Nelle. Yeah, they should go on Twitter too. And Facebook. Did we mention it? Go on Facebook and find my find my page. It's called You're Being Rude. The Disrespect. Nappy Go Lucky LLC on Facebook. And bye-bye. Okay, bye-bye. We'll see y'all next time.